Blac Chyna stepping out for the Maxim Hot 100 party in Los Angeles on Saturday night, less than 24 hours after she was involved in a scary car crash. The mother of two was rear-ended around 2:30 in the morning Saturday and reportedly had to be assessed by paramedics. But it looks like Chyna is doing just fine. The star didn't stop for interviews at the party, but she still shut down the red carpet in this lacy black look. She topped it off with a fedora, some dainty diamonds, and a pair of sparkly, strappy heels.